How to activate Google Assistant with Bluetooth headset. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate Google Assistant with a Bluetooth headset. Start by opening the Sony Headphones Connect app on your mobile device. Then make sure your headphones are on. Then tap Connect. Depending on your headphone model, scroll down and select Change Function of NC Ambient button or Change Function of Left Side button setting. Then scroll to the Change Function of the Custom button and tap Settings. Change the setting to Google Assistant. Next, set up the Google Assistant app according to your device type. If you're using an Android mobile device, press and hold the Home button to activate Google Assistant. Finally, tap Finish Headphone Setup and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.